Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you, is it possible to view somebody's post even if their account is private on Instagram? So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Instagram application, click on your profile and click on the three lines at the top left corner. Then after go to account privacy. So as you can see, when you turn off the feature of private account, all the features are activated. Everyone on Instagram can see your profile, the post on your profile and can tag you on any post they want. But if their account is private, you won't be able to see any post other than their profile picture. But if you still want to view their post, what you can do is create a fake account with another name and you can follow them. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.